At the end of the last episode, the old man had finished off this side of the convertible top. It was a daunting task, but he persevered and was able to finish it. So now that it's done, it's time to move over to the other side of the convertible top, which is in worse condition. And that's where we're going to pick up episode 4.
So, we got that piece out. Now we're going to start making a template about this inner piece. Somebody's been in here before me and didn't do a very good job. They welded and re-welded. So I'm going to cut it all out and rebuild it. I hope. I think. Just about ready to come out. What I'm going to do is that there. Yeah. Cut that there. Down in here. Alright. We got more cut out. And we're going to cut some more out in order to make this fit. This goes go in there like that. We got more bending to do, more fitting to do, as you can see. I got to cut this all out. Up in here, take a patch and a patch. So I'll get rid of that. Alright, we're back at it again this morning. You can see I made a little headway. Not much, but a little. Pretty good chunk of metal for what we got to do. So this is going to fit in here like this. When I get this tacked in, then I can cut this down a little further and cut out all this rust and remake it and attach it to the bottom of this. Same on the inside. I got some rust I got to cut out and I can attach it to the bottom of this. So that's where we stand, and that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Alright, well, I got to get that there tacked in, right there. And then I can bend that around and rearrange things. This is supposed to be at an angle like it is over there, and I got to put it into it. But we can do it. All it takes a little heat and beat and bend to fit. Alright, so I'm going to go get the welder all set up, get to welding, and you'll have to wait to see the outcome. While I was at it today, I welded in the nuts to hold this piece, so we got adjustment in that now. Then I got this one put in and cleaned up. And that's for the front. It goes in there like that. So, all in all, we're ready to weld this one in, tack it in anyways, so we can go cut out some more. So, I'll get back to you when we got something more important to say, I guess. Right now, Zach wants to get his lovely job done. It's always fun sandblasting, and I know he's having fun at it. Believe that, I'll tell you the one about the 3 bears. Go ahead and shut the door. Hey, good morning. Today, I'm going to be working on filling in here up to here. Got my first piece. Got it primered on the back, weld-through primer. Goes in there thusly. Get a little tack here. A little tack up in there. There we go. Like that. Good enough for now. Here's where we stand right now. Made the template. The template goes in here like that. Looks pretty good. So you go over, you mark it out on a piece of metal. Then it doesn't fit. Although you cut it to the dimensions you want, it doesn't fit. It never does. So we're down to grinding. Okay, we got this set in place where we want it for now. Alright, the paint is dry. I'm ready to weld that in. Just so you know, while I was waiting for the paint to dry, I made a template of this next piece. Got it all cut out, just about fitted. I just didn't want you guys to think I was sitting around, you know, looking pretty. No? A few people disagree with me. I don't know why. Even the boss walked off. We can edit that out. Alright. Yeah, wait a minute. First thing you want to do on any job is get more tools than what you need. I guess. At least that's the way I seem to end up. So, gotta fill in these holes, make it look pretty. So here's my template. Yeah, put that on before it dries out. And I made a metal piece. Now we get to the fun part. Weld that in there if I had a cord, but I don't have any power. How come? Huh? Huh? Why don't I have power? I wonder.
I didn't do it.
Somebody stole my power. Just put it not ahead of me. Alright, we'll try this again. Oh, listen to that. Music to my ears. And cut the end off of that so we got a nice clean tip to start with. And we'll put this on for a little safety reasons. And we'll put a little tack right here. Now the fun part. We get the bead out. Oh there, I got busy and forgot what I was doing again. What we're doing right now is putting in a patch on this side here. Got to extend this piece up to the piece I put in here. So that's what I'm up to.
Was that all the 1/4 inch we had?
Alright, so now I got another little patch I got to put in here, and then one in behind here over here. I got this tacked in, waiting for it. Oh, that's pretty cool now. We might go back at it and go do a little more. I got that made. I got this corner welded in. I was grind that down yet. Now, it's done. Broke my neck, but it's done. You guys did check your eyes during the process, right? Yeah, all we gotta do now is grind it down, make it look pretty. Not that anybody's ever gonna see it again. But Well, good morning. Yeah, I haven't done a whole lot of recording this week. We've been a little on the hectic side. But as you can see, the 57 Ford retractable is coming along nicely. We got it all repaired. Got it setting back on. We got some adjustment to do yet, and we got to put the headliner in and all the trim work and everything. But at least we've gone this far. Got it all painted up where it's supposed to be. So, we'll put that on today. That's over on the shelf. We'll get that put up there today. Get that done. So, for my next trick, I have a 1974 GTO that we're going to be doing a lot of the welding and stuff on it. I'll give you a quick shot of it here. This is what we have left. As you can see, we hit pretty hard right here. We have the fender and everything in here already. And I got rust repair to do along in here. On the other side, we got floors coming to put in it. I got a big dent down in here to take care of. One right there. I got to take care of that dent. Another one right in here. Take care of. Somebody put quarters on it. I got to cut this out. Redo that. I got to put a whole new back in it. Back panel. Somebody put this in. It's all rotted out along the bottom. So we got a new one coming. Get that cut out. This side over here, it's a mess. It's all sunk in. The fellow owns the car. They took the bondo out of it. They said it was in there about an inch thick. This is where they put the quarter on. It's all sunk in. Instead of coming up to this here, they come down to here. And it's a mess. It's all sunk in. And we're going to have to do something with that. And what else have I got to do on this? Oh yeah. Guy that owns it, they done the stripping on it. Dismantling. Well, he thought the hood scoop was metal. And he just kept grinding until he saw metal. But it's fiberglass. So I got to repair that. In case of somebody didn't know what they were doing and made more work. But I'll show you the fenders. We got the hood, the trunk lid's over there, the hood's up on top. And we'll go back here. Got one fender down there. Now they changed the fender after the accident. The inner fender, not so much. That's all crinkled up. I gotta see what I can do. None of the bolt holes line up. And this is the repaired fender. Came off from something else and they put it on here. But it has since had another accident and I had to fix the front of it. And now I gotta do something about, hang on. Do something about that there. That there. And I already started up here. I gotta finish that corner.